Superfoods to ease period cramps naturally. We've all dealt with terrible period cramps, unending bleeding, and crazy cravings for the majority of our adult lives. It's not a shocker that indulging in that hot, delicious piece of pizza that your body is begging for is actually bad for your health. Today's video is an attempt to placate the period demon so that you can have a somewhat pain and stress-free period next month. Here is a list of superfoods that help to ease period cramps naturally. Dark chocolate. All women have the overwhelming desire to consume massive amounts of sweets while they are menstruating. Next time, choose chocolate with a cocoa content of at least 70% since magnesium is essential for calming and relaxing your muscles and easing that period pain. Yellow bananas. You are undoubtedly well aware of how high in potassium bananas are, but did you also know that they contain calcium and magnesium too? Under that yellow peel, you'll find 3 of the 4 nutrients you need to relieve muscular cramps. It makes sense that bananas are a popular, effective option for cramp relief. Peanut butter. A few tablespoons of peanut butter will provide you with enough protein, good fats, and fiber to feel satisfied. Vitamin E, a fantastic compound that eases pain and inflammation, is also abundant in peanut butter. Cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon can be used to relieve menstrual cramps since it has anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic qualities. Drinking water. Water consumption is crucial for good health and can help prevent headaches from dehydration during the menstrual cycle. Additionally, it helps prevent bloating and water retention. Green leafy vegetables. The anti-cramping magnesium found in spinach, cabbage, kale, and broccoli, as well as the vitamins A, C, and E, have all been shown to help reduce period pain and constipation. Fresh pineapple. Pineapple contains manganese, copper, vitamin C, vitamin B1, and vitamin B6, which makes it a great snack option. Pineapple's vitamins aid in muscular relaxation, making it another excellent treatment for easing period cramps. Low-fat yogurt. Friendly bacteria found in probiotic yogurt aid in better digestion and the prevention of bloating. Additionally, research points to calcium as a potent cramp pain reducer. Yogurt even aids in muscular relaxation during periods, which can reduce cramping by over 40%. Shelled walnuts. Due to its rich omega-3 concentration, walnuts aid in the reduction of period discomfort. Keep a bowl on hand for easy healthy snacking, adding to a bowl of yogurt, throwing in a salad, or combining into a grain bowl for a quick supper side dish. Bell peppers. All peppers are strong in fiber, have a lot of water, and are high in potassium, which helps prevent gas, cramps, and bloating. Fresh salmon. Fish is rich in omega-3s and helps lower inflammation. Salmon also contains vitamin D, which absorbs calcium expertly and results in a reduction in the severity of your cramps. Dried or fresh basil leaves. Caffeic acid, a painkiller found in basil leaves, helps lessen the discomfort and cramping associated with menstruation. 2 teaspoons of basil leaves should be added to a cup of boiling water, steeped for a while, and then allowed to cool. To relieve cramps, take a half to full cup of basil tea every hour. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.